This one thing I did completely changed my life and allowed me to go from corporate America, $100,000 in debt, to pay off all my bills, create a company that replaced my corporate salary, working only a couple hours a day. And all of this done being a splenic projector. It's one thing you have to keep in mind. And I want you guys to comment below and do this with me in real time so that we can all grow together as a community, because that's my mission here. That's the work I do. I am here to assist my clients, not just projectors, not just generators, MGs, every human design type, by living your design in a brand new, unique way that changes the dynamic of your life so that you're aligned with vibrational frequency to co-create with the universe as your unique self. That's why I do what I do. So let me guide you through this process. I want you to take in a deep breath with me. And I want you to really consider what it is that you want to manifest. And I want you to feel into the vibration of what you want. And I want you to look at everything in your life that is not that. I want you to think about, if you're trying to manifest money, think about all those things that aren't abundant. Maybe you have an overdraft. Maybe you owe this amount of money. Maybe you're not making anything at your job. Maybe you're in a career that's not paying for all your bills or all the things you want. I want you to feel the frequency of what you don't have and what isn't in alignment with what it is you're bringing in. And I want you to feel that. Now, this one thing we're going to do together, and I want everyone to participate, is going to change the way in which you manifest. It's going to bring in everything that you wish to create right here and right now, at least the vibration of it, the idea for the next step, and the frequency of the next step. So I want you to feel all those things and feel that coming into your body, and give it a sense, a name, a color. I want you to really feel that. And now what we're going to do is move into a higher vibration of acceptance, forgiveness, allowance. Let it all move through you. Let it be. And allow yourself to be here right now. Instead of being in the wantings, being in the I accept and I allow. And I'm grateful. I accept, I allow, I am grateful. And now, once we move into that place, now the vibration, now the frequency of what the next step is, the brilliant idea, the aha moment can come in. But it cannot come in if you're only focused on what isn't in alignment with the vision. Now, the next step, you're thinking, what's the next step? Well, the next step is you need to take action. And that's where the human design piece comes into play. Because you cannot take action if you don't know your human design. You can't go out there and do something that's not in alignment with the way in which you're designed to manifest. It will not work. You gotta know your unique strategy and inner authority. Otherwise, all the energy work, the manifestation, all those manifestation, money pieces, mindset work, everything you're doing in alignment like that will not work for you. It does not operate unless you take action in alignment with your strategy and inner authority. If you don't know yours, no worries. Grab your free chart. And then join my Big Vision Envision 4-day challenge. It's going on now. You still have time to catch up. You can catch up on 1 and 2, listen to the videos, get ready, and learn more powerfully and deeply how to utilize your human design to bring in what it is your purpose and your mission is here on the earth plane.